Welcome to the Sewerage Rates video tutorial. This video will walk you through the data collection and template filling process for sewerage rates. Digit Water and Sewerage module enables online processing of new connection requests, generation of water bills, and facilitation of bill payments. Generally, sewerage charges are dependent on the plot size and property usage types or simply dependent upon the property usage type. In some cases, sewerage charge can also be a percentage of water charges. The objective here is to capture rates for the predefined property size slabs against listed property usage type. Download the master's data template. The sewerage rates master's list table contains 7 columns: serial number, property usage type, property size slab from, property size slab to, percentage of water charges, flat fee and rate. Select the relevant property usage type. Data type for the rest of the columns is decimal. Enter the from and to values for the property size to define the slab range for properties. If flat fee is applicable, record the fee under the flat fee column. If sewerage charges are recorded as a percentage of water charges, list the percentage value under the percentage of water charges column. Next, enter the rate of sewerage charges applicable for the corresponding parameters. The rate column supports the entry of decimal values for accuracy in calculating sewerage charges. The specified rate will be used to calculate the sewerage charges based on the corresponding parameters. Refer to the checklist to ensure data accuracy and data entry requirements are met. For any queries or more information, please reach out to our technical support team for assistance.